Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start right away by preparing materials: resin, silicone mold, nitrile gloves, and a respirator. Clean the pad of the finger you'll use, oils blur detail. Once done, take a high-contrast fingerprint image, use ink or a phone macro, then print on glossy paper. Cut the print to the mold size and test fit it inside the mold cavity. Make sure the ridges face upward toward the dome area so the impression will be captured when you pour resin. Now you mix clear 2-part resin accurately and slowly to minimize bubbles. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes, scraping sides. Pour a thin base layer into the mold and cure just enough to become tacky, about 1 to 2 minutes under UV or a short ambient set, so the paper won't shift. Once tacky, position the fingerprint image face up with tweezers. Press gently and seal the edges with a tiny bead of resin. This locks the paper and preserves. Finish by pouring the remaining resin to fill the mold, avoiding overpour. Pop surface bubbles with a toothpick or by briefly passing a flame or warm air. Be careful. Cure fully as specified by the resin maker to reach full hardness. Demold and sand edges starting with 400 grit, then 800 for smoothness. Finish with a clear coat. If fogging or milky areas appear, polish with a micro-abrasive compound and recoat. That fixes trapped moisture or micro-scratches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.